feeling deep inside that you've been lying about where you've been at night. Oh, I've got a feeling, so you better learn to treat me right.
Polres Kulon Progo Yogyakarta menangkap 4 tersangka penjualan bayi di media sosial.
Polisi lantas mengamankan sejumlah barang bukti berupa perlengkapan bayi, telepon genggam, kwitansi, serta uang tunai. Tersebut kemudian dijual lagi di media sosial dan memalsukan dokumen bayi.
Baby trafficking is illegal activity involves in alters, purpose, application or transfer of baby for specific purpose, such illegal adoption, exploitation, or other criminal purpose. Everyone, thank you for joining for this important discussion on baby trafficking. Very complex and troubling issue. Today we're going to clarity of perspective of perspective 5. But first, let's start with baby trafficking. Let's start with Anna.
Thank you, Grace. Baby trafficking is a very serious human rights violation. Children are not merchandise, they are individuals who deserve protection and law. In many cases, trafficked children must access to education, health, and a decent life. We cannot justify the sexual alienation, including the fulfill of the desire to have children. I believe that the best solution is to strengthen the legal adoption system and provide support to vulnerable families so that they do not feel forced to sell their children. As a psychologist, I would like to invest the long-term psychological impact on children who are victims of baby trafficking. They often experience it emotional trauma such as loss of security and trust in others. Many of them grow up with anxiety issue, depression, or even post-traumatic stress disorder. In addition, these children often find it difficult to build healthy relationships in the future because of the bad experience in their childhood. We must ensure that every child gets adequate psychological support to help them recover from this trauma.
As to how has your ambition in understand how great the research to help children is part of how can I help children biologically. However, as a factor, baby trafficking is not only the way that occurs when the children is in the process. I believe that we need to information to regulation and system to make it faster and more efficient. For comfort, how wants to give home to avoid or ban children.
From a legal standpoint, baby trafficking is a serious crime that involves direct human exploitation. Illegal adoption often occurs due to people's lack of understanding of the illegal adoption process or because legal procedures are perceived as too complicated and slow. We need to strengthen law related to child protection and improve law enforcement to ensure that baby trafficking are street punished. In addition, communities should be empowered to report suspicious activities to authorities.
As a workplace student, I would like to highlight the important role of medical personnel in preventing baby trafficking from the beginning of the life.
Many cases of baby trafficking occur in health facilities or involve births outside the official system. As an midwife, I believe the education, training of their rights, and the importance of giving birth in safe and legal place can help prevent this practice. In addition, medical personnel need to be trained to raise recognize signs of potential exploitation in order to report them to the authorities.
The Organization will represent that the United Nations International Mental Health their physical health. Many parents children are worried of the negative adequate mental health during the conflict. This can lead to long-term problems they are given to better in life. We must ensure that every child has access to basic health service and safe environment for their development.
Through my work as an investigative journalist, I have seen how extreme poverty is often a caregiver of daily trafficking. Family in this world might feel compelled to steal children in order to survive by all their debts. However, we must also realize that baby trafficking is not just an economic issue. Ethically, baby trafficking is one of the causes of human exploitation and cannot be justified under any circumstances. Children have basic human rights to be protected from any form or abuse of exploitation. Treating them as commodities violates the moral and the equality principles of our society as a whole. We must work together to create human rights-based public policies to prevent the practices from happening. As a social worker, I see firsthand how economic and social pressure can make families feel forced to consider extreme options like stealing their children. Many families face extreme poverty or lack access to education and employment, making them vulnerable to the scheme of exploitation. We need to provide support to these families through economic, employment, and education programs, so they don't feel trapped in bad choice.
From an economic perspective, baby trafficking often occurs due to an imbalance between supply and demand in the global adoption system. When the demand to adopt children is higher than the number of orphans available through legal channels, the black market emerges as an illegal alternative for some potential adoptive parents. To address this issue, we need to reduce overall economic inequality and improve the efficiency of the legal adoption system to make it more accessible to the public.
Ada Nona Ambon gak di sini? Nona Ambon pica pica, Nona nanti lincah macam Papua Garastana. Dan ke kanan Nona si goyang pica Nana buku yang lincah. Pak manajer bisa.